In primetime news this evening, stricter water restrictions now in effect as dry season persists. Back to work. Teachers to end protest action after fruitful meeting with Labour Ministry. And more protest brewing as another public sector group is restive.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, in the financial week this evening, we're going to look at the producer price index that's out for April. And also, the Bank of Jamaica is saying it has its eyes on what's happening in the U.S. and its debt ceiling. So those details later on.
All right, and Jordan Fort is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Jordan?
Well, Herman, not good news for World Championship silver medalist Christopher Taylor, who's now facing a lengthy ban after an anti-doping rule violation. But at least one noted sports attorney thinks he might have a good defense. I'll tell you more in Primetime Sports Friday.
And Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thank you, Janella. Tomorrow, Saturday, we are expecting an increase in clouds across the island, and a few showers are forecast for central and eastern parishes. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how have you altered your water usage since the water restrictions were imposed?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.